Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to CapCut and you can click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you'll find here updating this blue sign, you can click to update your app as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.